Hello friends, myself Ravi Inania, and today I am here with my Viva topic, that is difference between link and set. So in my last video I had explained about collections. So in this video I will explain you some deep or some basic concepts about difference between the link and set. So firstly, as we know that collection, it is an interface, and from collection there are mainly three interfaces are extended. That's are link, queue and set. So queue is nothing but it is a directory data set in which the FIFO algorithm is used, means first in first out. So the other two main, that is link and set elements. So list interface further extends by or further list interface further implemented by three main classes, that are array list, linked list and vector. In the other hand, set interface implemented by three classes, that we can say hash set, link set and our last part is tree set. So we will discuss about one by one. So link array list first, which implement by list. So array list means it is a dynamically array, we can say dynamic array, in which the array is used and its size is dynamically growth and its character is stored in sequence manner. So basically when we say about list, so in list the three types are there: linked list, array list and vectors. So all the types can contain duplicate elements. So when we say difference between link and set, this is one of the main part, that is list elements can or list data types can store duplicate elements in its data type, and it is iterated by its index values. So we can say every element has its own index as same as array. So user can access its them through index variables, etc. So another part is that in list we can dynamically grow our elements. Sorry, not elements, its size. So as we know that array has fixed size, so it is not mutable, but list is mutable, so its size can be changed, and as same as every member of the list size can change. So when we want to add elements and in you can say in list elements, the storage method is that insertion order is maintained. In list we can say insertion order is maintained. So what is insertion order? It means when user add one element, it will be stored at its initial location. If the user adds the next element, the next element will add to the next location. So in list every element is stored in a insertion order, means when as per the user inserted, in that manner it will be added. So when we talk about set, so set contains first, that is non-duplicate, means it contains unique elements. Suppose we try to implement put or add duplicate elements, it will not add the duplicate elements. So there are three types of sets, that is hash set, link set and tree set. So basically hash set uses hash set method to store its elements, and its insertion order is not maintained, because when user inserts some elements, it uses some another logical method to add its element or to store its element or to sort its element. The next part is that in set, that is linked set, hash linked set. So hash linked set means it uses linked list and hash code implementation to store its element. And the last part, that is tree set. So tree set uses some sorting method, and in that the element is sorted from ascending order to descending order by default. So this is some difference, or this is some basic difference between list and set. So with this all, I like to stop here, and thank you.